I'm not going to sit here and tell you to write out a list of goals and probably start saving money in the bank to achieve it, or probably open a piggy bank in your house and start dropping 1,000 naira in it. This idea I'm about to share with you has been of immense benefit to young professionals like yourself and myself. Hi there once again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a channel that leaves you informed on the latest trends, gist, gossips, news, and also leaves you educated on how better you can do things. And speaking of better, today we are talking savings. As a result of the dynamic business environment we live in, we realize more than ever before that there is a need for adequate financial planning. The truth is, no matter how little we earn, a fortune would have gone past our hands by the time we are aged 55 to 60 years. Now, how much of that fortune do you still have in your bank account? We live in a world where financial success is key to us for obvious reasons. There is nothing, earthly speaking, that money cannot influence. Our problem, wants, needs, desires are almost unlimited. And yet, the average income of an average individual is limited. And this therefore means that if we want to achieve our financial goals, which is very important, some financial planning is highly required and necessary. In summary, what I'm saying is that we all have big dreams, goals that we want to achieve in the nearest future. And how do we achieve this? No matter how much we earn, if there is no adequate financial planning, we may not be able to achieve them. The truth is, you might feel you earn $1 billion now, but if there is no adequate financial planning towards that money, you just find out that you wake up one day and it's all gone. And the worst part is you might not even be able to hold something tangible that money has done for you. Now the question is, how do we plan? I'm not going to sit here and tell you to write out a list of goals and probably start saving money in the bank to achieve it, or probably open a piggy bank in your house and start dropping 1,000 naira in it. Because if you truly take out time to scrutinize the situation, you will find out that money saved in the bank is not safe at all. With the invention of ATM machines, POS, electronic debit and credit cards, PayPal, checks, you will agree with me that one can conveniently sit back, relax at home, and spend the money in the bank. What you actually call a savings account in the bank is a transactional account, and that is why it goes dormant within a year when it is not in use. So how do we truly save? Well, I bring you good tidings of great joy. Behold, insurance. Isn't insurance a place you save for unforeseen circumstance? I mean, they only step in when something happens to you. You can't actually have a personal saving with it. I bet to disagree. With an insurance policy, you can have a good financial plan and savings towards your future or towards achieving that goal you desire. It is said that Rome was not built in a day. When you want to build a forest, you start by planting trees. And little drops of water makes mighty ocean. An insurance policy specializes in helping people design financial plans that will help them achieve their financial goals in the nearest future. And these plans are systematic, definite, and sure. For years, they have specialized in long-term financial planning for individuals and corporate bodies for numerous clients, and the result has been tremendous. The truth is, as far as you have problems that only money can solve, having an insurance policy is paramount. An insurance policy can step in for you in more ways than one. Just name it: children's education, retirement, savings and investment, emergency funds, family protection, tax relief, actualizing projects, vacation, mortgage protection, you name it. Insurance policy has got you covered. How can an insurance company take care of my children's education, you may ask? I'm very sure that most of you would agree with me that education is the best legacy you can give to your child. And not just education, but quality education. Very sure that most of you listening to me right now do not want your children to go to school the way you did, or do you? And what do you think can make your child go to school the way you did? The most common answer would probably be lack of funds. And this is where the insurance company comes in. You can start saving for your child's education little by little. You don't have to wait till that time comes and you start looking for the bulk money to send them to school. Probably some of you have plans of sending your children to the best universities abroad. You can start now by making monthly deposits, quarterly deposits, annual deposits towards payment of that child's school fees. Okay, here's the theory. Let's assume your child has 5 years before he or she gets into the university. We can create a 5-year plan for you, whereby you decide to save either monthly, yearly, or quarterly for that child's education for the period of 5 years. Of course, you will have a targeted amount in mind. Probably you want to save up to 10 million naira by the end of 5 years. The amount that can cover the child's school fees throughout his or her university education is 10 million naira. So you want to save 10 million, right? This 10 million will be broken into bits for you, which you can pay every month, every quarter, or every year. The juicy part to it is that you get 3% of 10 million naira each year on your money as a bonus. 3% of 10 million naira is 300,000 naira. So you have an extra 300,000 naira added to your money each year as you save. So by the end of the 5-year period, you have a whopping 1.5 million naira added to your money. Just get any juicier than this? No, it doesn't stop there. In case you are accidented or have a critical illness, the company steps in and pays up to 500,000 naira on you. And in case death occurs to the policy owner before the period of 5 years elapses, probably death occurred at the first year or second year, or before that 5 years, and you're not able to complete payments, the company still pays your sum assured, which is 10 million naira, with all your bonus. Sue your beneficiary regardless of how much it is you have deposited. Where else can you get this? Life and in debt, insurance has got you covered. If you're going to build a new home, chances are that you will call an architect or contractor, and together you will discuss the type of home you want to build. You will decide how many stories, rooms, bed, where the garage is going to be, and all that type of stuff. And after this discussion, the contractor will make a blueprint. Even before a single nail is driven into that house, you already know where you're going. It is quite unfortunate that many people fail to take all these things into consideration when building their house of protection. You can probably tell how much cash or income your present salary can provide for you and your family. But do you know how much it can provide for you at age 60 or 65 when you have outlived your income? You might say, my company has already provided a pension plan for me. But how long can your pension sustain you? With an annuity insurance policy, you can be paid for life after you have retired. You can be paid till death occurs, so you never have to worry for funds. Even when you're done working and earning, all you have to do, sit back, relax, and receive your alert every month for the rest of your life. In case of job loss, you don't have to worry if you have a policy, because the company steps in and pays your salary based on your premium. For those of you who pay huge amounts on taxes, this is for you. Do you know that up to 15% of your insurance premium is deducted from your income tax? I bet you didn't know that. This is going to serve as a massive relief, especially for those people who pay crazy amounts on taxes. Mortgage is a loan taken on a house which is payable till completed, and mortgage remains an asset to your bank until payment is completed. Well, an insurance policy can serve as a mortgage protection. For those of you who might not really fancy having a 5-year plan without being able to have access to your money till the end of 5 years, here is another one for you. Here, you have access to 75% of your contribution or 25% of the sum assured, which is the money you want to get at the end of the day. At the end of a given period of time, the least being 2 years. This one is a 3-payment plan. You can get partial withdrawal of your money even before maturity. An insurance policy can step in for you as a father to your children and a provider to the family, even when you're not there. It lifts the financial burden that a family might experience as a result of death of the breadwinner. All you need to do is have a plan in place. The insurance takes it up from there. For those of you who like to go on vacations to Peru, Dubai, Canada, China, a vacation plan is in place for you with an insurance policy. You see stress that we go through, Your life can be so much easier and less stressful just with an insurance policy. The policy can also serve as a collateral for you whenever you're taking a loan. You don't have to put your house or your car or whatever treasured possession you might have as a collateral. Your policy can do that. The benefits of having an insurance policy is endless. All you have to do is just key in and don't let it slide. And you know all this ajo that people do can be very risky at times. You actually don't know the person you are contributing your money to. So tomorrow, the person can flee with your money after you have contributed for like 8 to 10 months. Then at the end of the day, by the time you receive your money, you just receive your capital, no accrued benefits on it. And again, you will have to pay service charges to whoever it is that have kept your ajo for you throughout the year. Come and do that ajo with an insurance company and enjoy whooping benefits. If I begin to tell you all there is to benefits, I might not actually leave here today, but I am going to do something for you though. Those of you who are like, oh my god, I really want to key into this. Well, I would leave my number in the description below and also in the about section on my channel. Contact me ASAP. Contact me ASAP on WhatsApp or call. I will also leave my email address in the description below. Call. Let me lead you to a life of abundance. If you found this video useful, smash the thumbs up and also share this with family and friends, guys. You will be doing them a whole lot of good by sharing this video to them. And subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on all the amazing opportunities I will be bringing your way. Click on the next video showing on your screen and I will see you right there. Bye.